All of that sounds great, but what does that actually mean? What does clean actually mean? What does reducing her portion sizes look like? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Margot Robbie's diet and fitness routine, including how she got in shape for her role in the Barbie movie. We're also going to briefly talk about body image and if the Barbie movie promotes body inclusivity and positivity. Margot Robbie follows a balanced and healthy diet, which played a crucial role in her weight loss journey for the Barbie movie. She shares that she worked with a nutritionist to create a meal plan that consisted of whole, real foods, plenty of lean proteins, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Margot also made some dietary changes to help her lose weight, such as cutting out sugar and processed foods and reducing her portion sizes. She focused on eating nutrient-dense foods that would fuel her workouts and keep her energy levels up. All of that sounds great, but what does that actually mean? Every article I read about a celebrity, it's always the same spiel, but what are the specifics? Like, what does clean actually mean? What does reducing her portion sizes look like? Like I said, there's not a lot of specific information out there, which always really bothers me. Here are some specifics that your girl got for you. So an example of a meal that Margot actually ate was shared by Vogue when they met for breakfast. Margot ordered avocado toast, grilled halloumi cheese, and crispy Australian-style bacon. After eating, they went rollerblading, classic Barbie style, and stopped at her favorite ice cream shop, Salt and Straw, which is amazing ice cream. Their roasted strawberry and coconut flavor is to die for. So yummy. There are not a lot of details on the nutrition specifics that Margot followed to get into Barbie shape. However, in the past, she has shared that she has worked with celebrity nutritionist Donna James to help her get in shape for her roles. I love Donna James' book, The Archetype Diet, and have read it numerous times, so I'll share some of its health and weight loss tips. These are tips Margot probably followed, having Donna as her nutritionist. Something I love about Donna James is that she believes there are quite a few factors, besides just calories, that can seriously affect your weight loss efforts, with one major influence being hormones, which is something that is often overlooked. She points out that the main hormones to be aware of are insulin, estrogen, and cortisol. Interestingly, each increases fat in specific areas of the body. According to James, if you store fat everywhere, insulin is the dominant hormone that needs to be regulated. Storing fat in your upper thighs and butt indicates estrogen should be targeted. And for those who easily accumulate belly fat, cortisol levels might be to blame. Quick tips to lower insulin: reduce sugar and carbohydrate intake. Want to balance estrogen? Consume cruciferous veggies. Reduce cortisol? Eat regular meals at the same time every day, and invest in stress-reducing activities such as yoga, walking, and meditation. James also encourages women to avoid gluten and dairy for a few weeks to reduce inflammation, especially if they have excess cortisol. James has been consulting women's bodies for over 12 years. And through this experience, she has created an equation that she thinks will empower women to take control of their weight loss. Her equation involves balancing and restoring hormones, sleep, inflammation, the gut microbiome, medication, unexpressed emotions, and genes, which she says all influence your ability to lose weight and keep it off. The nutritional advice Donna gives depends on the archetype of the person she's working with. Her archetypes consist of the nurturer, the Wonder Woman, the ethereal, and the femme fatale. For this video, I'm going to use the Wonder Woman example because I think that's what Margot may be. Regardless of your archetype, James encourages all of them to consume a protein-rich breakfast. This is a great tip to help balance blood sugar that will help you conquer cravings for the rest of the day. If you want to learn more about this, check out this video I made. A sample meal that Donna recommends to many of her patients consists of 7 ingredients: 3 veggies, 1 protein, 2 fats, and 1 carb. What are the portion sizes? A portion of protein is 4 ounces, around the size of your palm. 1 serving of fat is about 1/4 of an avocado, or if it's oil, it's about the size of your thumb. A portion of carbs for her is 1/4 cup, and up to 4 cups of veggies. What types of protein does she recommend? Well, James encourages clean animal protein, wild-caught seafood, and occasionally eating red meat around once a week. When it comes to carbs, she's not anti-carb, but she does encourage her clients to stick with 1 starchy carb. For example, instead of having rice and beans, have rice or beans. So think grilled fish, organic poultry, raw salads, cooked vegetables, fresh herbs, bitter vegetables, nuts, seeds, and a small amount of grains, legumes, red meat, and starchy veggies. Donna also encourages her clients to wind down in the evening with a calming cup of herbal tea. Margot has spoken publicly about the work that it took to get into shape for her Barbie role. She revealed that it was a challenging and intense process, but one that she was excited to take on. To prepare for her role, she worked closely with her personal trainer, David Higgins, who helped her create a workout routine that would target all the muscles in her body. She did a lot of strength training exercises such as squats, lunges, and deadlifts to build lean muscle mass and help increase her metabolism. She also did a lot of cardio exercises such as running, cycling, and rollerblading to burn fat and increase her endurance. Some articles shared that she also tried some high-intensity interval training, which can be a really helpful tool in shedding excess fat and getting in shape for roles such as this. So overall, her workout routine consisted of a combination of strength training, cardio, and HIIT training. Margot trained 6 days a week for around an hour to an hour and a half. The upcoming Barbie movie has sparked many conversations regarding body image and its representation in the media. Barbie has long been criticized, promoting unrealistic beauty standards with her impossibly thin waist, long legs, and blonde hair. However, the upcoming movie has actually been hailed as a step in the right direction for body positivity and inclusivity. The director stated that Margot Robbie being cast as Barbie was a very deliberate choice to break away from the traditional image of Barbie being a super skinny blonde doll. In an interview, Margot shared that the movie aims to represent diversity and inclusivity, and that Barbie's character will be a reflection of modern society. They could have had a cast of super skinny supermodels, but instead they chose to showcase different body types, skin colors, and hairstyles. The movie's focus on body positivity and inclusivity is a welcome change in a society that promotes unrealistic beauty standards, which are often promoted by the media. By portraying a more diverse and inclusive image of beauty, the Barbie movie has the potential to promote body acceptance and self-love. Of course, there are still concerns that the movie may fall short of its promises, or that it may still perpetuate some harmful beauty standards. Regardless, it's important to continue having these conversations about body image and its representation in the media, and hold Hollywood accountable for the messages they promote. In conclusion, Margot Robbie's diet and fitness plan played a critical role in her weight loss journey for her role as Barbie in the upcoming film. She focused on eating healthy, nutritious food and working out consistently to build muscle mass and burn fat. If you're looking to achieve a similar result, focus on making healthy dietary choices and consistently moving your body. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about making small, sustainable changes that over time can become lifelong habits. Overall, the upcoming Barbie movie appears to represent a positive step towards body positivity and inclusivity. It is a reminder that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes, and that we should celebrate our differences rather than striving for an unattainable ideal. As always, give yourself grace and empower yourself with education. This little guy has been kicking the camera the whole time. Think okay.